አሁን ገና ነው የሰማሁት ስፒድ ሲመጣ እንደማገኘው እና ከሚስ ዚምባብዌ ጋር ያጋጠመው ነገር ካያችሁ it was a little awkward and I understand, you know, beauty pageant ተወዳዳሪ ምናምን ስትሆኑ እንደዚህ አይነት ኤነርጂ ማች ማድረግ ይከብዳል እና I'm kind of scared but እንደዚህ አይነት ሀገራችንን የማስተዋወቅ እድል it's very big በጣም ጥሩ እድል ነው እና I'm scared እንዳላፍር እኔ በጣም አይናፋርነት ትንሽ ያጠቃኛል እዛ እንዳላፍር ምናምን እንዳልሽ ኮረመን በጣም የፈራው ነው and normally የስፒድን ስትሪሞች ካያችሁ ብዙ ጊዜ ሴቶች ምናምን አያናገርም respectable I don't care really but I'm a little scared so this is my prediction. I'm going to meet him. If everything goes well, I'm going to be like, hi, sweet, how are you? And welcome to Ethiopia. I'm very glad that you're here. You're doing amazing. Congratulations for your subs. Da-da-da-dee-dee-dee. And this is our country from above. Because he's going to do, I don't know if he's going to ignore me or not. Because, you know, he doesn't normally talk to girls. That's why I'm scared, man. But future has said what happened. Tell me.